job. Anybody else who want to read? Okay, you want to read real bad. You want to read for one of the disasters?
I'll
Read whatever you want to read.
Okay.
Stand up, and read loud as you can.
I think I'll read from When the Water Came Down. I said, now I'm orange and the people on this planet don't like me. So now I'm going out of comfort and no, it says, now I painted myself purple. And now I'm going undercover to seek the jewel of the monkeys. Oh, yeah. And then I quickly built, and then that's when the whole human invasion came in. And then I said, that's when I quickly built the spaceship and landed back on Earth. Now I'm a dog again. And now I'm going inside an Uber, and then I went home to my family. And then when I actually woke up, it turns out I wasn't dreaming. Was I in a parallel universe?
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we can get the snaps on. Yeah, get the snaps on. I like that. That's real coffee house. Okay, you want to read? All right, which disaster you gonna start from?
Can I read it all?
You can read it all if you want to read it all.
We have to be able to hear it, that's the only thing.
Okay.
Stand up, say it loud.
I woke up this morning in 1960 and in Djibouti. And then I met my new African sisters and brothers. We went to go to Asia so we can learn more languages. Then the airplane had a problem and I lost 2 brothers and sisters. And I felt lost with my life, but I still did what my family did, learn languages. And then there was an earthquake and everything changed because the earth was shaking when my mom was having another child.
Ooh.
And I woke up this morning in 12:04. Can I call it that?
Yeah, you can.
12:04. And this morning in China with new Chinese sisters and brothers having a party. And then a flood came. Then water came and flood.
Wow.
And killed all my sisters and brothers. And then I was with green and purple people that do not like orange people, and I was one of the orange people, so they followed me with angry faces and protested words. And the green and purple people use for money is rocks, and I was hungry, but I had no money. I was homeless and begged for money, and one day, one nice green lady who liked orange people gave 1 million rocks, and I was rich. And a volcano erupted and killed everyone on the planet. And then I woke up as a robber and killed everyone and was the only person alive. And I got everything I wanted by taking it. And I lived happy forever. And an Uber came, the only person I did not kill. And became rich and famous. The end.
Okay, clap, snap, whatever.
Wow.
Alright, you're very enthusiastic. Stand up and read your story, Jasmine.
I'm gonna read from the earthquake.
From the earthquake?
Yeah. And then there was an earthquake and everything changed. Then everything went black and I woke up in a hospital in 2006. I'm a baby and I'm wondering what in the world happened. And then the water came and everything changed. Then I was orange on a planet full of green and purple people that didn't like orange people. So I went home and took a 5-hour bath. Then I was blue. I was the only one of my kind because my family had no clue how to change. And then I was crowned queen since I was the only blue person. My family and I lived the Hakuna Matata lifestyle, but they were still orange. So it was like the older days where there was segregation and stuff. And then they tried to hurt my family. So I hid them. And now I'm hungry. My rocks are in the cloud. And I can't access them because I don't know the password. But since I'm queen, all I have to do is ask for rocks. Then I have buckets and buckets of rocks for my family and I. And then the planet became too cold to live on. And so I take my belongings and I go live on the moon. I'm back to my regular skin tone, thank God. And then I have nothing for weeks and weeks. Then I die and I'm dead. And so my ghost comes back and hops in the Uber. And then the Uber driver sees my ghost, which is unusual. So I'm shook. He abducts me. Since his people can see me, it's hard to escape, but I managed to do it. Now I hide out in the real world so people can't find me. But I decided to go back to heaven because I'm tired of real people. And I meet Jesus, sweet, sweet Jesus. He tells me how he thought of me when I was alive. He said I did many great things and that he loved me.
All right, one more. Who else want to read that anywhere? Come on. Oh, it's like that? That's how y'all gonna do it? You gonna read yours? I want to hear yours. Will you please read yours? Stand on up, girl.
Thank you.
All right, read as loud as you can.
Whatever you want us to know about your story.
Yep, you can read any part you want to. We got your back.
Got you.
Okay, all good.
Tell us what your
Tell us
story.
what your story was about.
What's your story? What do you want us to know? She got a whole lot in that book. You're a teammate.
Hold on. Is that your story right there? Get your teammate to read it. Teammate, when you read it for her, she told it till you read it for her. Stand up and read the story for her.
All right.
That's why teamwork make the dream work, girl.
I woke up in 1996. I woke up at the pool. I went to the hospital. Then when I left the hospital, I went to meet my new family. And then it was an earthquake where everything changed. And then the water came down. And then I ran away. Then I went to go fishing for some fish. And then when I got some fish, I cooked it. The fish. The purple and green people knew the orange people. I called Uber, then it took me home, and that is what happened in 1996.
All right. Woo! So I'm loving that story.
Okay.
All right, so how about this? Before we move into the next phase of what's going on, I just want to ask, how did you all like working with this guy? You
Was
give
it
us
cool?
a couple snaps?
You can tell the truth. If you don't like me, just say it then.
I don't like you.
Give him a couple snaps, okay. So, a fun fact about this guy, he's a published author, right? And basically, he has more than one book, right? Right? And so, another fun fact about this guy is that he has a extreme passion for kids, right? Another fun fact is he has helped other authors publish books, right? And so one thing I want you to take away from this session, from working with this guy, is that if you ever need help, this would be the guy,
Yeah, I'm gonna help you for real. I got you.
right? And so
I got you.
in the process process of you all writing, I just wanna hear maybe one or two people say a good takeaway that you're gonna take away from working in this particular session on all about your story and your writing.
Have fun with it.
Have fun with it, I like that.
That's a good one, that's a real
I
good
like
one.
that. Anybody else got a good takeaway?
The whole and then what happened thing, I think I'll
All right,
Oh, that's good.
cool.
Explore with ideas.
Oh, I
Explore
love
with
that.
ideas.
Yeah,
Yep.
boom. Any fun facts? Anybody got something that they will take away that as you begin to continue to put together your writing skills and you move from an inspiring author into being a published author, because it's happening right now? What would you take away from this that you could share with somebody else? Use your imagination. All right. So let's give him a big snap out. Snap him out.
All right. Thank y'all.
Yeah, so if we want to take maybe about a good 3-minute break, if you want to stand up and do some stretching, and then we'll move into the next one, okay? If you want to just stretch in your seat, stand up where you're at.